Welcome back. Today we're counting down the top 5 low-budget car financing companies in the USA for 2025. If you need a car loan but have limited cash or less than perfect credit, this list is for you. Let's jump right in and help you get on the road. Number 5 is MyAutoLoan, your go-to for comparing car loan offers fast. Fill out one secure application and get up to 4 loan offers in minutes. No impact on your credit score. Whether you want a new car or used car or need to refinance, MyAutoLoan has flexible options. They work with a wide range of credit profiles with a minimum score of 575. You can compare rates, terms, and payments side by side to find your best deal. It's a smart, hassle-free way to see your options before you commit. MyAutoLoan makes car financing simple and transparent. At number 4, LightStream is perfect for those with good to excellent credit. Enjoy low APRs, zero fees, and a lightning-fast online process. Funds can hit your account the same day. LightStream offers unsecured loans, so you shop like a cash buyer and negotiate your best deal. Their Rate Beat program ensures you get the lowest rate if you qualify. No origination, prepayment, or late fees, just straightforward, fast financing. If your credit is strong, LightStream is a top choice for speed and savings. That's why it's our number 4 pick. Number 3 is Auto Credit Express, specializing in helping people with bad or no credit. They connect you with lenders and dealerships willing to give you a second chance, even after bankruptcy or repossession. Fill out a quick online form, and they match you with local partners ready to work with your situation. It's a supportive, judgment-free process designed to get you approved. For many, it's the first step to rebuilding credit and getting reliable transportation. If you've struggled with traditional lenders, Auto Credit Express is your lifeline. That's why they're our number 3. Number 2 is Carvana, the fully online car buying and financing experience. Shop, finance, and schedule delivery all from your couch. Pre-qualify in minutes with a soft credit check, see your real rates and browse cars you can actually afford. Carvana is both the lender and the seller, so everything is streamlined. Customize your loan terms, e-sign, and get your car delivered with a 7-day money-back guarantee. It's transparent, convenient, and stress-free. For digital ease and customer focus, Carvana is our runner-up. Our number 1 pick is Capital One Auto Finance, known for trust and technology. Use their Auto Navigator tool to pre-qualify with a soft credit pull and see your personalized rates instantly. Search millions of cars from over 12,000 dealerships, knowing your financing is already lined up. Walk into the dealership as a pre-qualified buyer. No surprises, no markups. Flexible terms, wide credit acceptance, and total transparency set Capital One apart. It's a stress-free, empowering way to finance your next car. That's why Capital One Auto Finance is our top choice for 2025. That's our countdown of the top 5 low-budget car financing companies for 2025. Which would you choose? Share your experiences in the comments to help others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tips. Until next time, drive safe and make smart financial choices.